Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to get audio on a CapCut application. So first thing you have to do, open your CapCut and start your new project. Here I would like to use my project that I have here. I already have the video, I already have the project, but then I have no audio for this project yet. So the things you have to do to add audio or to get audio is just go by click add audio in this right below the clip, and after that you just need to go click sounds. Now you will have an access for several musics that you can use. You can just looking for the music, the type of the music that you want to add. You can try one by one. And after you find it, you just need to go click this plus button. And now don't forget to adjusting the length too. You can see that the length of the music is quite long compared to the clip, so we need to make it fit with the clip. Just go by make the straight line stop in the end of the clip, and after that just click the audio part and go click split and delete the rest. Now we already have the audio and the clip with the same length. So that's the way how to add audio on a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.